Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer Quizlet to Anki. So first method, we will go through two methods. So the first one is the easiest one. So what we need to do here in Anki, we go to the top left, tools, then to the add-ons and get add-ons, and you will paste in this code 13622091126. Then you will install it. What this will do is you will see then Quizlet to Anki 21 importer with audio support. Now you will restart your Anki, and after that, when you reopen the Anki, you go here back to the tools, and then you will see here at the bottom here import from Quizlet. Now what you are going to do here is basically URL. You will pass URL. So let's go to the Quizlet, and now let's say we want to get this one here. Say not safe. Now we just need to paste URL. So we will select share right here, this link, copy it, and let's go back to the Anki and paste this one here, and then click import deck. Now it will connect to the Quizlet and it will import our quiz from the Quizlet to Anki. All right, so the second method which we can use, we can open here the Anki and open up the set. Now we can click here three dots and select export. Now between terms and definition, select tab, and for between rows, select new line, and then copy text. Now what you need to do is open up like text editor or something. So I will open up this one here and paste it right in here. Now what I need to do with that, I need to save it as text file. So right here, what is okay, and save it. Now I have saved it. And what we need to do now, go back to the Anki. As you can see, now it's imported from the method number 1, success, imported quiz for cards. Now, what we need to do now in method 2, in Anki, we will click import file down here. It will open up where we need to find where we have this, open like that. Here we have some import option, field mapping, and so on. All right, and then click import. It will be something like that. And we have it now basically here. So yeah, this is pretty much how you can import manually or with this easiest option. So if you have possibility, make yourself this easy option available. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next